Hey Hydrohaven family, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting crops to grow at home, pumpkins. Whether you're dreaming of a fall harvest or looking to grow pumpkins for decoration, cooking, or even for fun, we've got you covered with 5 essential tips on how to grow a ton of pumpkins right in your own backyard or garden. So, if you're ready to transform your garden into a pumpkin patch, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more amazing gardening tips and tricks. Let's dive into it. One of the first things you need to think about when growing pumpkins is selecting the right variety. There are hundreds of pumpkin varieties out there, and some are better suited for certain spaces and conditions than others. If you've got a large garden or enough space to let them sprawl, you'll have more flexibility in choosing a larger pumpkin variety like Atlantic Giant or Cinderella. These pumpkins are known for producing massive fruit, but they do require a lot of room to grow. If space is limited, consider smaller varieties like Baby Boo, Sugar Pie, or Jack Be Little. These pumpkins are compact and perfect for smaller spaces, but they still pack a punch when it comes to yield. There are even bush varieties, which are ideal if you're growing in raised beds or containers. When selecting your variety, also think about what you want to use the pumpkins for. Are you growing them for decoration? Or are you looking for pumpkins that you can cook with? Different varieties have different tastes, textures, and uses. For example, Sugar Pie pumpkins are small but perfect for making pies, while carving jack pumpkins are more suited for Halloween decorations. Pumpkins are sun-loving plants that need a lot of sunlight to thrive. Ideally, you'll want to plant your pumpkins in a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. A sunny location ensures that the plants produce large, healthy leaves and flowers, which are crucial for developing a bountiful pumpkin harvest. Another thing to consider is space. Pumpkins are sprawling plants, and they need room to grow, lots of it. If you're growing in a traditional garden bed, be prepared to give each pumpkin plant at least 3 to 5 feet of space. This space allows the vines to spread out and gives each pumpkin plant the best chance to produce a significant yield. If you're planting pumpkins in containers, opt for large pots with at least 12 inches of depth, and keep in mind that you'll still need to train the vines to grow outward if you're growing larger varieties. A key tip here is to choose a location with well-drained soil. Pumpkins do not like to sit in soggy ground, so planting them in a place with good drainage is essential for healthy root development and overall plant health. Soil preparation is another important factor in growing a ton of pumpkins. Pumpkins are heavy feeders, meaning they thrive when the soil is rich in organic matter and nutrients. Start by amending your soil with compost or well-rotted manure a few weeks before planting. This will not only provide essential nutrients but also improve the soil structure, allowing it to hold moisture while still draining properly. Pumpkins prefer slightly acidic soil, so check your soil's pH level. If it's too alkaline, you can add sulfur to bring it down to a pH between 6.0 and 6.8, which is ideal for pumpkins. When it comes to fertilizing, you'll want to use a balanced fertilizer with a higher ratio of potassium and phosphorus once the plants start to vine out. You can also use a slow-release fertilizer to provide a steady stream of nutrients throughout the growing season. A general rule of thumb is to fertilize your pumpkins every 3 to 4 weeks with an organic liquid fertilizer. Additionally, as the plants start to develop flowers and small pumpkins, switch to a high phosphorus fertilizer to encourage fruit development. Watering is one of the most critical aspects of pumpkin care. Pumpkins need consistent moisture to grow, but they don't like to have wet feet, which means you should be careful not to overwater them. The goal is to keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the hot summer months when pumpkins are growing rapidly. Water your pumpkins deeply at the base of the plant, making sure to avoid getting the leaves wet. Wet foliage can encourage fungal diseases, which can be harmful to your pumpkin plants. If you're in a particularly hot climate, consider using a soaker hose or drip irrigation to ensure the water goes directly to the roots. Mulching is another key tip for keeping your pumpkins thriving. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch, such as straw or wood chips, around your plants. Mulch helps retain moisture, suppresses weeds, and keeps the soil temperature consistent. Plus, it can prevent pumpkins from coming into direct contact with wet soil, which can lead to rot. Once your pumpkin plants start to vine out and produce flowers, the next big task is making sure the flowers are properly pollinated. Pumpkins rely on pollinators like bees to transfer pollen from male to female flowers, which is necessary for fruit production. To encourage pollinators, consider planting other flowers nearby that attract bees, such as sunflowers, marigolds, or lavender. In areas with fewer pollinators, you can hand-pollinate the flowers. Simply take a small paintbrush and transfer pollen from the male flower, which has a long, skinny stem, to the female flower, which has a tiny pumpkin attached to it. This process can help ensure that your pumpkins get pollinated and that you have a higher chance of producing multiple fruits per plant. Pruning is another technique that can help improve pumpkin yields. While you don't want to prune too much, cutting back some of the side vines will help redirect energy into the main fruit. By removing excess growth, you'll allow your pumpkin plants to focus on producing bigger, healthier pumpkins rather than unnecessary vines. Additionally, remove any damaged or diseased leaves as soon as you notice them to prevent any problems from spreading to the rest of the plant. And there you have it, 5 tips for growing a ton of pumpkins right at home. Whether you're growing them for Halloween decorations, baking, or just for fun, following these tips will help ensure you have a thriving pumpkin patch. Remember, pumpkins love sunlight, space, rich soil, consistent watering, and proper pollination, so keep these factors in mind throughout the growing season. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow gardeners, and leave a comment below with your favorite pumpkin varieties or any questions you have about growing pumpkins. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all the gardening tips we have in store. Thanks for tuning in, Hydro Haven family, and happy pumpkin growing.